Romina and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another new TikTok dance tutorial that you will absolutely love. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell so you guys get notified whenever I post another TikTok tutorial. And if you guys don't follow me on socials, this is my Instagram and this is my TikTok. It's all at Romina Gafur. Make sure to follow me on TikTok because usually before I post anything on YouTube, I'll post it on my TikTok and you guys will be able to see it first. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you the tutorial for the song Cannibal by Kesha. So if you guys don't know how to do the dance or you guys were confused when you first saw it, just stay in this video and you guys will find out. If you guys have never seen this dance, I'm going to be showing you right now before we start with the tutorial.
Okay, so I couldn't use the sound here, you guys, because of copyright YouTube stuff. So you guys will be able to find the sound and this video in my description.
So now let's begin with the tutorial. So I actually screen recorded my own video and put it on slow-mo so we can all follow that video but super slow. So it's helpful for us to learn every single move. Just a heads up, before I back up and show you the tutorial in super slow version, I'm not gonna be using a sound, so you guys will not be able to hear it just because copyright. So I'm gonna be probably saying the lyrics myself. So let's see how that goes. Okay, I'm gonna back up now. Here we go, you guys. Whenever you tell me I'm pretty, that's over the head. And then we go, that's when the hunger really hits me. That's with the beats. And then your little heart goes pitter patter, the beats. And then I want your liver on a platter. Use your fingers, don't know the lyrics, T, and then over the head, and for dessert, and then we go that way, and then that's it. So those are the only moves, guys, for that dance. If you guys found it helpful, please make sure to leave a like and comment that it was helpful. And if you guys ever post a video with the sound and with these dance moves, please tag me. I want to see your videos and also follow you and like your videos. And if you guys already subscribed and turned my bell on, then I'm going to see you in my next one.